to Which One Won? Episode 10, right? We call this Wow. Which one won? Get it? W.O.W. Wow, because a lot of times that's what you're going to say when you find out which one won. Wow, are you serious? Are you serious? That one won versus that one? I would have thought for sure that one would have won. Doesn't matter. As long as you get one as a winner, then you're a smart, beautiful, brilliant, whatever you want to call yourself, copywriter, right? So this is cool. So today we're going to go with a product from Health Resources, and it is called Super Fruits and Veggies. And this product, we have 6 cover tests that you get to choose here. I'm going to tell you the little twist that happened with this one, but we're going to go through them. There are 6 covers that we tested to launch. We had it ready to test to launch this product. And like I said, a little twist in there. I will fill it in for you at the end. But let's start off with cover test number 1. The product. Let me talk about the product first of all. It is the equivalent of getting like 44 fruits and vegetables every day in one pill. Okay, so it's a nice immune boosting product. It's full of antioxidants. And just again, people don't eat fruits and vegetables like they're supposed to, but now you can get the benefits of those fruits and vegetables in a pill. So that is the promise, the USP of the product. So first cover test was, what can your body do when you give it 44 fruits and vegetables every day? And so we have a cover of a guy, age-appropriate guy working out, looking great. And then we talk about, well, how about strengthen your heart, boost your brain power, yada, yada, all the other great benefits that you can get from the 44 fruits and veggies every day. So that is cover test number 1. Then cover test number 2, unleash automatic healing. That's what happens when you take this amazing proprietary formula that contains 44 super fruits, super greens, super vegetables, and combine them. And then they can clobber the free radicals. And so that's the whole point of just unleash automatic healing. That was the concept we had here, and loaded up all of the benefits of what you can get from the product, as well adding the scientific research on the bottom too. So automatic healing is number 2. Then we have number 3, kick a health. I mean, this is, it says, yeah, you can eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day to survive. But if you want to unleash unlimited energy, experience superior health, and clobber a host of health problems, you need these 44 super fruits, super greens, and super vegetables every day for kick a health, right? Hold on to your hat, because you're about to experience, and then boom, lots of benefits that come along with it. Kind of a fun, high energy cover idea. Was the thinking that I had for this cover. And so then I think this is number 4, right? Is that right? Yeah, number 4. Oh, look at this. Who are we looking? Who do we see here? Is this like a twin? Defy aging. Can you believe she's 50? Well, obviously this is a little older cover. But nonetheless, I said the goal was actually I gave the client my photo and said, okay, we need somebody else in here, swap it out. And then he saw it, he goes, nope, let's just leave it. And I was like, well, okay, fine. So I have proof testimony. This was me. I was taking the product. I think it's a great product. So what the heck? Let's put the cover on there, defy aging. And then just the whole, can you believe she's 50 years old, right? So that was number 4. And then number 5 was why your antioxidants don't work. And it is a shocker of why they don't work. Crazy, right? So that was number 5, more scientific approach. And then number 6, I thought, let's have some fun here. Little cartoon, holy moly, I can get 44 fruits and veggies in one pill. Yes, yes, yes. And you get high ORAC antioxidants from the only formula that fights all 5 kinds of free radicals, so just something a little fun, but showing what the benefits are. Look at the pill with all of those vitamin and all of those fruits and vegetables in that pill. That's kind of cool overall. So there you have it, CopyStar. Okay, so let us review this one more time. Cover test number 1. What can you do when you give your body 44 fruits and vegetables every day? Number 2, unleash automatic healing. Number 3, kick a health. Number 4, defy aging. Can you believe she's 50? Number 5, why your antioxidants don't work. And number 6, holy moly, the cartoon What do you think, CopyStar? Which one won? Put your answer down here, 1 through 6. Which one do you think your market, my market, wanted at that time? And let's see what you know, if you got your little copywriting savvy going on here, okay? So, are we ready? Well, I got to confess, we did not have 6 cover tests that went out with that mailing. What happened was at the last minute, due to some list issues, the client was not able to test 6. So the client was only able to test 5. And he said, Carline, you had to pull 1. And so I took the hit and I took out the cover that had me on it with the Defy Aging. So we did not have 6 cover tests going out. We had 5. So if you picked me as the winner, I think you probably would have won, honestly. But you get a chance now to vote again because there are only 5. Take out that cover with me on there, okay? And now let's see, of the 5, which one won? Ready? Okay, I gotta tell you something else. We did not have a winner on this one. We had 2. 2 covers turned out to be very strong, so the client was able to rotate them. All right, you're getting it now. So of the 5, we had 2 that were winners. So you have a chance of being a winner. So let me tell you the first one that was the winner, the higher one, by just a margin, but it still was the winner. So number 1 was, I'm sorry, I need my drum roll, right? Ready? I'm getting good at this. All right, number 1 was why your antioxidants don't work. Shocker. So that was the winner, followed very closely by number 2, holy moly, I can get 44 fruits and veggies in 1 pill. Yeah, yes. So these 2 covers were able to be mailed, rotated to keep the promotion lasting longer. I think it mailed for about maybe 1.5 years, 2 years, something like that with it. So there you go. What do you think? Kind of fun, huh? Kind of cool. Stuff happens all the time. Last minute decisions have to be made. Sacrifices have to be made. And, you know, you go for it. It is what it is. But I still love the cover of me. So I will tell everybody that it actually did win. But I don't want to brag. I don't want to brag about it. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this episode of Which One Won. This was our 10th one, 10th episode. Pretty darn cool. If you like it, please give me a like. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel. I got great stuff on my YouTube channel. So this is just one of many things I'm putting out there for you. So while you're here, go check out the other stuff that I've got. It's really, my purpose is to give you as much, give you as much information as you can get as far as real life stuff that's working and just my thinking process on how I come up with cover tests and ideas, because that's how you're going to get better. Okay. That's how you're going to get better. And if you really like this Which One Won and you want to go deeper and really try to understand my process, I have an ebook. It's called Which One Won, and it is, how to boost, how to write kick butt headlines and boost response. It is on my website at W.W.carlinecole.com. Click on the tab that says my eStore tab, and you will be able to check it out along with some other ebooks that I have that are really good. But that one you can follow through. I'll lay out what the cover tests were, and then I tell you the process that went through it and why I did this and why I didn't do that. So you really kind of get into my brain and understand my thinking so that it can help you to be able to come up with some great headlines that could become subject lines online for your internet copy too. So hope you get the book. Hope you like the book. I'm going to come up. I got some more for you. You want some more? I got more for you. So until next time, let me check it out. Come check me out again on this YouTube channel so that you can find out which one won on the YouTube version of this. All right. Have a great day. See you next time.